Hello, I'm Pete from Millennia Performance Physical Therapy, and today I'm here to talk to you about something taboo. No one wants to talk about it, and we pretend it doesn't exist or it's normal, so it leads to men suffering. I'm talking about male pelvic health, and November is often recognized as Movember, a month dedicated to raising awareness for critical men's health issues like prostate cancer, testicular cancer, and mental health. We want to add male pelvic health to that conversation because symptoms in this area are common, but they are not normal and they are definitely treatable. Here at Alinea Performance, we're here to shine a light on this silent crisis, and in this video, I want to give you the key takeaways and encourage you to stop suffering in silence if any of these things are applicable to you. And even if they're not, 1 in 5 men will deal with one or more of these issues we'll talk about, so chances are you know someone that is suffering in silence. The core of the issue, what is male pelvic health? When we talk about male pelvic health, we're talking about the critical function of the muscles, nerves, and vessels at your core. At the foundation of this is the pelvic floor, a powerful sheet of muscle that runs from your tailbone to your pubic bone. This muscle group is crucial for 3 major functions. The first being continence, or controlling the flow of urine and bowel movements. The second is stability, or supporting your spine and core, especially during high performance movements like lifting and running. And thirdly is sexual function, playing a critical role in blood flow and function necessary for healthy erections and ejaculation. Simply put, your pelvic floor muscles are the foundation of your masculine performance and comfort. The silent crisis and why we need to talk about it is because unfortunately symptoms are often ignored due to stigma, and men often believe these issues are untreatable or are just an inevitable part of aging. Research suggests men wait an average of 4.2 years to seek professional help for pelvic floor issues. But the truth is, these symptoms are a sign of a muscle or nerve problem and they are treatable, and potentially treatable without the need for medication. Consider these facts. Incontinence affects between 11% to 32% of men. Many men report altering their clothing and activity out of fear of leakage. I've even heard stories of being too uncomfortable to go to the gym anymore and then gaining 30 pounds as a result, careening into all kinds of other issues, leading to me meeting with that person. Erectile dysfunction affects up to 52% of men 40 to 70 and even up to 26% of men under 40. Weak pelvic floor muscles contribute to the inability to maintain an erection because of their role in compressing the veins that maintain blood flow. Pelvic pain is expected by about 1 in 5 men at some point, and persistent pain in the lower body or genital area is often incorrectly attributed to nerve damage or chronic infection, when the root cause is frequently musculoskeletal dysfunction, meaning a muscle problem. Ignoring these issues leads to years of silent struggle and a significant negative impact on your quality of life, not only in what you do, but your confidence in yourself as a man. And the path to recovery, let's talk about that. And that requires specialized treatment. So what should you do? At Alinea Performance, we believe in a specialized patient-first approach that addresses the root cause. Your care should include a private and confidential environment because you deserve complete discretion and a comfortable private setting to discuss sensitive symptoms, including a dedicated one-on-one evaluation, which is a comprehensive evaluation by our owner and head physical therapist, Dr. Andrew Gillihan, who is one of the only male pelvic floor specialists in the tri-state area. We then apply the gold standard of physical therapy with advanced tech. Our methods combine hands-on techniques like advanced manual therapy, including dry needling and trigger point therapy, with technology like Biofeedback. Biofeedback gives you real-time visual and auditory feedback on your pelvic floor muscles, ensuring you learn to correctly contract and, crucially, relax these muscles, which is vital for chronic pain. And unlike many of other practices that don't have access to a gym facility, we focus on performance-based training and weightlifting. Treatment should quickly progress to restoring core and hip strength using weightlifting and custom exercise to integrate the pelvis into powerful functional movement. We do all of this, but something I especially want to highlight is that we also utilize low-intensity extracorporeal shockwave therapy, or Li-ESWT. Phew, that's a mouthful and usually referred to as shockwave therapy. That's this thing, which is a non-invasive treatment that delivers mild sound waves that trigger the body's natural healing response. For ED and vascular function, shockwave therapy is proven to stimulate the formation of new blood vessels and improve circulation in the penile tissue, directly addressing vascular causes of erectile dysfunction. For chronic pain, it helps break down scar tissue and reduces the chronic inflammation that fuels persistent pelvic pain. So, taking action, as the famous quote says, action is the foundational key to all success. Don't let shame or misinformation keep you suffering for years. If you're experiencing leakage, pain, or sexual health concerns, take the first step. We offer a dedicated private assessment to help you understand the root cause and build a clear path to recovery. We are running a special for Movember. You can redeem a voucher for our men's urinary incontinence analysis, which is usable for any condition in this guide, by clicking the link in the description. Your journey starts with a simple click. Click to redeem your voucher. Call us at 513-434-3669 or visit us online at alineaperformance.com/Cincinnati. We're ready to help you reclaim your confidence, control, and performance. We thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe because we've got a ton of valuable information coming your way.